Welcome to Display Museum. I am Dr. Pan, the curator of museum.
Hello, Dr. Pan. I'm Greg. I came here to learn about Monochrome LCD screen.
Hello, Greg. Monochrome LCD panel can be made with TN, HTN, STN, FSTN and VA technology. It can be divided into dot matrix and segment LCD on the basis of the display mode. Depending on the types of polarizers, it can be divided into transmissive LCD, reflective LCD, and transflective LCD. Let us look at the typical structure of monochrome LCD. From top to bottom, top polarizer, top ITO glass, ITO film, liquid crystal, ITO film, bottom ITO glass, and bottom polarizer. Liquid crystal is an organic compound. It is liquid in a certain temperature range and crystal in a lower temperature. Under the influence of electric field, the liquid crystal molecules will be arranged in regular rotation of 90 degrees, resulting in the on or off of light transmittance. According to this principle, we can control the image we need.
Dr. Pan, we can see colorful LCD screen all the time. Do we still need monochrome LCD screen?
Absolutely. First, it is cheaper. And usually the colorful screens we can see are standard products which do not need to be designed. Monochrome LCD screen is highly customized product. You can select the outer dimension, the view area, the connection type, the display mode, the view degree, the type of the polarizer, and the driving mode according to your requirements.
Thank you, Dr. Pan. Now I got it.
Welcome to contact us if you have any question.